Kevin's Korner.
Oh my God.
What are we doing in Kevin's Korner?
Jacking my shit.
Kevin's Korner. Welcome to Kevin's Korner. What do we have here?
Bucket of water.
You got a jug of water over here. You're just cooling that down right there.
So I can touch it.
And then what are you gonna do with it?
Put it back here and grind on it some more, get all the rust off of it.
Where's it gonna go?
There.
There you go.
Like that, like that. It's a gusset.
A gusset?
Yeah.
What the hell's a gusset?
Reinforcement. Tack weld that sucker on and
Grinder down. Gatorade. Has electrolytes.
it's right.
Kevin's Korner. Kevin's
Wouldn't put your foot there. You might melt. Or your shoe would, your foot wouldn't.
That's a clean weld.
Not too bad.
That's the ground. That's the ground.
Yes.
That's also the ground.
Yes.
Double ground. One down. One to go.
Yep.
Kevin's Korner. Welding with a... It's a what?
Lincoln Electric. Lincoln.
Welding with the Lincoln Electric. With sandals, shorts, and no t-shirt, but service included. Yeah. Kevin's Korner.
So this is where I recommend safety glasses. Oh, fuck no. My grinder shot to shit.
Well, what are you gonna do?
Take it apart and fucking figure it out.
Damn. And you were so close to finishing it.
Good thing I have another one.
Oh, you have another one?
I have two grinders. I have three actually. Just gotta put the other one together.
Silly me.
Safety first.
Ow! Alright, I gotta go.
Safety first.
Yeah, safety first. And again, this episode of Kevin's Korner is brought to you by Gatorade. It has
That's not good.
it has electrolytes.
Good for the plants.
Kevin's Korner, yeah, Kevin's Korner. See ya. And then what's in the front? Is that some shocks I saw in there?
Yeah, it keeps the deck from bouncing and keeps it from going side to side.
What other additions do we have?
I'm going to take the weight plate off. I'm going to, if I don't add water to the tires, which will help keep the weight at the bottom, Should be better on hills if all the weight is on your tires at the bottom. More traction that way. And I think I'm going to try and mess with the hydraulics and speed it up a little bit. Maybe.
Kevin's Korner.